Rajasthan, the desert state celebrated for its magnificent palaces and grandeur. Behind the facade of colorful turbans and spectacular beauty, there lies a truth. So, for the millions of children who have died, as well as the many yet unborn, the question that raises itself time after time: who will give us our health in our hands? Rajasthan, with a population of 57 million, 68% of which is literate, the literacy rate amongst women remains extremely low. Women are not empowered to take decisions on family planning, pregnancies, or the health of these children and her. In June 2009, PepsiCo aligned with Save the Children and financed a health, nutrition, water and sanitation project in 3 areas of Rajasthan. The Apno Swasthya Apne Haath, implemented by NGO partner in Tonk, Churu and Banswara, directly benefited 57,600 newborns, infants, under 5s, pregnant women and lactating mothers, reaching a total of 180,000 people.
पहले आंगनवाड़ी नती थी ते पासे दलिया मलवा लागो ते पासे आमु गिया लेवा हारू ने पासे टीका ने लगा था ते आमने टीका वालो भी बताड़ियो आने ते पासे टीका लगाड़िया आमने दलिया आलियो सब कीधु आपणे एडफॉर्मनो पानी लावो साळीनी सोराने पो साफ सफाई रो साफ सफाई सोराने राखो.
Our Health in Our Hands in Rajasthan, this project aims at building communities' capacity to have improved access to safe water, sanitation and build communities' capacity to look after health and nutrition issues.
Comprehensive training was provided to community outreach workers who would diagnose and refer children for treatment. This also promoted women's empowerment, providing employment opportunities and positioning women as key providers of health within their communities.
संपूर्ण टीकाकरण गांव में होने लग गया. नियमित सभी गर्भवती को, धात्री को, कुपोषित बच्चों को नियमित पोषण मिलने लग गया. जो बच्चे कुपोषित होते थे, कमजोर होते थे, वो मर जाते थे, वो अब मरते नहीं है. शिशु मृत्यु दर और मातृ मृत्यु दर होती ही थी, अब वो एकदम बंद होने लगी है. गाँव के सब लोग अब जागरूक हो गए. 100 में से 90% तो लाभ अभी लोग ले चुके हैं.
Through this project, what we have done, we have worked at 3 levels. One, by directly providing the facilities to community. Second, to empower communities to demand the services. We have motivated community about safe drinking water and sanitation. They have gone back and from their own money, they have tried to build latrines for safe sanitation.
Sanitation campaigns helped in creating awareness about the importance of sanitation with special emphasis on children. The improved sanitation also led to reduction of diarrhea and parasitic infections, increased child growth, and lowered child morbidity and mortality.
Rajasthan has some serious issues related to safe drinking water. In districts where we work like Churu, there has been fluoride content in water, so people don't have access to safe drinking water. Through this project, the beneficiaries have been provided the hand pump training, the hand pump tools, so that when it gets damaged, that can be repaired at community level.
लेटरिन बाथरूम क्या करते, एक घर के पास नहीं जाते, एक किलोमीटर नहीं जाता, आधे किलोमीटर इधर ही जाके लेटरिन करते थे. उस लेटरिन के बारे में हम समझा देखो जो मक्खी अपन लेटरिन करते हैं, वो मक्खी आके अपन खाना बनाते, घर में भी घुस जाती है, तो खाना ऊपर बैठती है, तो वो खाना अपन खाते, तो फिर हम बीमार क्यों नहीं हो. अब क्या है कि धीरे धीरे जागरूक हो गए लोग.
The project actively worked within the water and sanitation drive. biggest challenge of the project was building capacity within the communities to make them self-sufficient at the end of the project cycle. A rewards and recognition system was put in place. Discussion guides were used. Posters, radio and TV spots disseminated information on pneumonia and complementary feeding. Hand-washing campaigns and celebrating important days like World Water Day, Breastfeeding Week and Nutrition Week also cemented the work to give the children a better shot at healthy survival.
मेरे गांव में जब मैं लगी तब तक कोई एक बच्चा और एक गर्भवती की मौत नहीं हुई। अगर ये अपना स्वास्थ्य अपने साथ ये वागधारा के तहत ये काम हमारे गांव में शुरू नहीं होता तो अधिक ते बच्चे मरते, अधिक कुपोषित होते, अधिक महिला मर जाती, गर्भवती महिला घर पे ही मर जाती।
ते हमारे गांव में दो काम नहीं आवतो ते हमार खूब नुकसान था ते हमार दो काम आवियो ते हमार बढ़िया हो गया।
The 12,500 people with access to new household toilets or the 6,400 people who now have access to safe water through new hand pump installations are all testament to the resounding success of this project. Children once sullen and drained, today bound with vivacity and smiles. Countless others are now living lives that are more productive and healthy because of the efforts of this very program.
I would rate this as on a scale 10 out of 10 because this project has really built the capacity of community. I feel that it has been phenomenal.
The fact that corporate houses such as PepsiCo realize the importance of such public, private and community partnerships is heartening. For these children, these unseen helping hands gave them the greatest gift of their own health in their own hands.